In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy and connect a custom domain for your project in Base44. Let's get started. From the main dashboard, I'll start by navigating to the bottom left corner where my active project, Stratum SaaS, is listed. I click on the three dots to open the project menu and then select App Settings to pull up the configuration panel. Once the settings page loads, I look at the sidebar on the left. I'm going to click on the Domains tab. This opens up my domain management area where I can see my current built-in URL. Right below that is the custom domain section. Currently, it says I need to upgrade to connect a domain, so I'll click on the View Plans button. This takes me to the pricing page where I can see the different tiers. To unlock custom domains, I need at least the Builder plan. Base44 makes this transition seamless by offering powerful AI-driven features. When I upgrade, I get access to a streamlined backend that handles all the complex DNS mapping automatically. This ensures that once I purchase my domain, the connection is stable, secure, and ready to handle my live traffic with professional-grade reliability. It's a simple, guided process that gets my site professional and live in just a few clicks. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.